Hey guys, it's Katie here back at Shoes of Hollywood at Strathpine to give you another shoe review today. I'm so excited because these shoes are so special. They are called Adore-708RS, and the RS is actually Rhinestone, so these are a girl's best friend, I would say. And these are a pair of pleasers. I'll unwrap them for you today, show you how absolutely beautiful they are. As you guys know from previous videos, all of our beautiful shoes do come completely wrapped and sealed, so if you're ordering them online, guys, don't worry, they'll be very protected. Wow, absolutely beautiful, aren't they? Don't have my pretty nails on for you guys today, so it'll be so much easier to show you the shoes. As all of our shoes come with a carry bag, takeaway bag, as you could say, and so you can put your shoes in this whenever you're going out on a holiday or putting your shoes in a bag just to keep them all neat and clean and in the best condition possible. And so guys, I'll just give you a bit of a description of these shoes up close. So as you can see, they are plastic around the tops. They have a black bottom there, so nice fabric as well. Always handmade by Pleasers and vegan friendly as well, guys. And look at that detail on them. Wow, stunning. Ooh. Did that a tricky way. So guys, as you can tell, these shoes have not been worn before, so always will be a little bit trickier the first time trying to put them on. But you just got to squeeze into them, and they are plastic, so they will definitely stretch to your desire of your feet. Pull my toes out. And the buckle around here is really easy to put on, even though you can tell I'm having so much trouble right now. There we go. And they are adjustable, so will fit your feet as they need. Take a little look. Stunning. So like I said, guys, these are a size 7 in the platforms. Really easy to walk in, as I'm just walking on carpet right now. But you could wear these anywhere. They're definitely a statement piece. And I'll give you a look on this angle, guys. So you could dress this up with a beautiful black dress, white dress, honestly anything. And it'll show the shoes off so much. And I'll take you out to the sunny Queensland day today. It's so hot outside, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm in all black, so let's go see what it's like. Let these beautiful shoes glitter in the sun. Wow. Just magical, isn't it? Give you guys a little strap today. As you can tell, it's such a beautiful day out here in Queensland. Letting my hair flow in the beautiful sunny wind. Yeah, but definitely loving these shoes. Could see myself actually buying a pair. And because they are a platform as well, guys, quite easy to walk in. Yeah, let you guys have a real good close look of them. Feeling really funky and tall in these today, guys. Actually go really well with this outfit I'm wearing as well. Ah. Hi boys. But yeah, anyone that would wear these shoes honestly would be so lucky. Give you a last little look in the sunlight. Imagine taking these on a lunch date or movie date or something like that. Could even go dancing in them. Quite comfy for a night out. So before I take them off, I'll just give you one last look. As you can always find these at Shoes of Hollywood. I'm a size 6, but you can get them in any size you like, even online, guys. So just slip them off now. And we're so happy with all the beautiful reviews and comments that we've been watching online in the comments section. And if you want to keep chucking in comments on there telling us what you like and what you don't like, we would love to hear. And also do remember to click that bell in the YouTube page so you will be notified every single time we post, and we're going to keep posting, guys, so watch out for that. And thank you so much for watching, and do give us a big like on this video. Bye.